This video is in response to the question by Lydia Adolfi, how to draw a perpendicular at the edge of a line. So if we have line AB, last time I showed you how to draw a perpendicular at any point inside the line, for example at a point P. So if you have the point inside the line, then you can draw an arc from 2 points equal distance from P, and these two arcs will intersect at a point, and then you connect that point to point P. So this new line is perpendicular to line AB. But now, according to her question, how to draw a perpendicular at point A and point B. So we start with the compass. Take an arc. It can be any radius of the arc. So you can take any radius of the arc. I suggest you take slightly bigger arc like 30 millimeter or in that range, and then you cut this arc by the same distance like this. So don't change the size of the arc in your compass. Use the same arc, and you have to cut like this and then connect the intersecting point and point A. So this line is perpendicular to line AB at point A, as you can see. So once again I will show you the same process at point B. So as I said, take an arc, any arc, draw this arc. Now use the same size of the compass and cross this arc twice. And then make smaller arcs from these 2 points. So connect the intersecting point with point B. You have to make sure that you don't make error in placing the needle of the compass at intersection points or connecting the points like point B with the intersecting point. So these mistakes can lead to some errors. Also, the size of the arc, as I said before, should be big enough so that the error can be minimized. So this line is also perpendicular to line AB. So this is the way you can draw perpendiculars at any point on any line, whether at the edge or in the middle of the line.